Greetings everyone! Today we're on a duck farm in Asia, where ducks play a crucial role as a primary source of poultry, ranking second to only chickens. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating process employed by this farm to produce large quantities of duck meat. Initially, selected duck eggs are transported to the incubator. The incubation period for duck eggs typically spans 28 to 30 days, although slight variations may occur depending on the duck species. It's important to maintain consistent temperature, humidity, and ventilation through this period to create an optimal environment for embryo development. Typically, there are two main types of duck farms, one dedicated to meat production and the other focused on egg laying. The initial step involves selecting healthy, young ducks as the foundation for the farming process. The farm is equipped with carefully prepared cages, complete with heating lights and feeding troughs to ensure optimal conditions for ducks. As the ducks mature, they are released into spacious gardens, providing a natural environment for them to thrive. Approximately 5 months into their growth, the ducks are ready for harvesting. At this stage, they are transported to the slaughterhouse, boasting an average weight ranging from 3 to 4 kilograms. In these facilities, prioritizing hygiene and durability is paramount. The ducks undergo a series of cleaning and disinfection processes, including stunning, feather removal, evisceration, cooling, deboning, and packaging. The ducks are conveyed while suspended from shackles through a wax-filled bath. Subsequently, they are dipped in a tank filled with cold water, allowing the wax to solidify. The removed wax undergoes a melting process, during which feather residues are filtered out. After feather removal, the ducks are eviscerated, which involves removing internal organs. This process is conducted with precision and care to maintain the quality of the meat. The carcasses are then chilled to an appropriate temperature to ensure food safety and quality. In the final stage, the processed duck meat undergoes packaging, preparing it for either export or domestic consumption. Duck products are gaining increasing popularity in various markets. This flavorful meat is a staple in cuisines worldwide, providing a delicious and nutritious source of protein. Duck meat is recognized for its high fat and high protein content, making it a rich source of iron as well. The production of duck products involves a factory process, which includes processing, shredding, and packaging, all of which are efficiently facilitated by modern technology. Those who have previously enjoyed duck meat are encouraged to share their experiences in the comments section.